Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to import or restore emails in Microsoft Outlook from a PST backup file, step by step. Let's begin. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Wait until Outlook fully loads. Now click on the File tab in the top left corner. On the File screen, click Open and Export. Next, click on Import Export. The Import and Export wizard will open. In the wizard window, select Import from another program or file. Click Next. On the next screen, select Outlook Data File, .pst. Click Next. Now click Browse. Navigate to the location where your PST backup file is saved. Select the PST file and click Open. Below, choose how you want Outlook to handle duplicate emails. You can select Replace Duplicates, Allow Duplicates, or Do Not Import Duplicates. Click Next. Now select the top folder of the PST file. Make sure Include Subfolders is checked. Choose Import Items into the same folder in, and select your email account. Now click Finish. Outlook will begin importing your emails. Wait until the import process completes. Once finished, your emails will appear in the inbox, sent items, and other folders. That's it. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.